Welcome back, Electric Family. On today's vlog, we are going to try to complete the Emerald Necklace Loop bike path, starting at Rio Hondo bike path in Omani. And it's just me and the wifey, Crystal. And today we are using the Ariel Rider X Class 52 volts. And she will be using the Super73 S2. It's about a 23-mile loop around our neighborhood that we haven't been to. So let's see what kind of sights we can see, and let's get to the ride. There's a nice Peck Road conservation water area there in that side, where there's a nice kind of like picnic area. And this is like a nice kind of a path that'll take us to the El Monte south and heading towards Whittier. And there's the Emerald Necklace loop that we're trying to complete today. So let's get it. Hello. A nice open area here for sure. I believe it was like a couple of days ago I tried taking my cousins here. They had fun. And this would be the El Monte Airport. Oftentimes you'll see planes taking off and landing. Pretty cool sight to see. And I think on this vehicle we have about 181 miles already. And it's like I don't even notice. Like, I have so much fun on this bike that I just realized today that I already have 181 miles. It's crazy. Crystal, the wife, looks like she decided to color her hair. She's pink. She's got matching. You got a matching sweater and matching mask. How do you like your new helmet so far? So. What happened? You slowed down. I'm on 0. I'm leaving her. I told her we were in a rush. I gotta go home and watch the Laker game. Oh my gosh. Of course. As soon as they say that. Of course. You know, these bikes are fun for sure. But there's no way that S2 can beat this bike in the long run. This is just such a torquier bike. Definitely faster than any of our Super 73s. Watch this throttle test. All right, here we go. Throttle test. This one goes up to 36 miles per hour on a good day. Here we go. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30. Let's go, Ariel. Don't embarrass me here. 35. Oh, I wonder if my some downhill fun. I wonder if my PAS actually matters. Let's go all the way to PAS 5 here, and then we'll do a throttle test again. I'm still not 100% sure how you actually use this bike. Let's try again. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. Here we go. PAS 5. Let's see how fast we can get to top speed. Ow. on, Ariel. Where are you at? We're on flat. 33. 34. Wow. 34 miles per hour. What's going on? I usually get like 30, 35, 36. Oof. That was scary. I don't know. Some days this bike feels like it's 35, 36 miles per hour. And today it's like only 34, 35. Cool dog park. Nice to see people are starting to socialize again, even with their dogs. We've got a couple of recumbent bikes ahead of us. And let's see about passing them. It's really cool that El Monte is starting to have, it's dark here. Let's turn on our headlights. Our headlights are pretty weak, actually. Let's turn it off. So what I was saying is it's pretty cool that El Monte is starting to have nice parks. Nice parks again because, E-Bike, cool. I didn't know that they were on E-Bikes. They had a front motor hub. Pretty cool. She's going fast. I'm trying to tell her that we're going to have to make a left soon. Alright, slow down. Let me lead. I think we're going to make a left soon. We're pretty much approaching Whittier. There's a nice BMX pump track here. Del Rio Hondo Park area. Oh, look at that. We got a cart. A go-kart. I think anything goes around here. That would be really cool if they made more electric go-karts. I think that would be really fun, being that low on the ground. And something I've always wanted to drive is electric go-karts. I want to show you the, it looks like they're open today. There's a BMX pump track. Yeah, no, we're not supposed to go there. I just want to show you. We're going to break here for about 10 minutes. After the pump track, I want to show you. But this is where we pretty much ended the ride with the cousins. Let's get a good view of these guys, these professionals, dirt bike, BMX, e-bikers. Look at those fun ups and downs. They weren't open last time, so this is cool just to see. I just want to get a good look at your bike. What's your input on this cowl fairing? I like it. It needs to be white? Oh, wiped. Like cleaned. Yeah, I kind of wiped it. That's why it looks kind of dirty. But, how was that ride for now? Took about a break here just to do a little bit of a video comparison on this, on the e-bikes that we have. Next stop is, one of the boba places that I like called, Miss C. Follow my lead. How you doing? You okay? Yo. Using those cracks as jumps. Jump it. Nice. She's learning. It's actually starting to get chilly. It started out as a warm day. Now it's getting really chilly. Bike path. And it's pretty nice views. In fact, I want to tell her to stop. Looks like going under the 60 freeway, it looks like. And it looks like there's some off-roading trails right here too. Alright. Yo, anything goes. That was a legit dirt bike. I've seen about there's actually a lot of e-bikers here. I've seen probably 4 regular cyclists and about 4 other e-bikers using this path so far. This is kind of cool. Even though we're like near freeways and streets, you kind of don't notice. It makes you feel like you're out of a remote kind of town. Remote forest kind of area. So the plants kind of hide all the road noise and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yep, left. Where does that go? I'm curious. So this will take us to about Misty. We'll be here for I think 5 miles. Husky coming up. Pretty cool. Hello. Some folks are fishing. There's some nice fishing spots. We got the road cyclists again. What do you think of the ride so far? No? You wouldn't do it again? What? She's a little picky. She is a little picky. Oh, shady parts. Shady dark parts. Can't hear. Can't see a thing. Yeah, so this is City of Industry right now. And then La Puente in that area. Pretty much where we live. Over there. We're exiting in the bridge. Hope she heard that. Yeah, I like this route because we're on a bike path. We're not being bothered. But, I guess the views can be a little bit better, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy to just be out and biking anyway. Anyhow. So here we go. Baldwin Park. Let's get it. Yeah, so there's a bike path, but it's very narrow to these cars on our right side here. Someone opened their door, we would get hit. Trying to focus here. Trying to assess each car. Make sure that we're good. Okay, we're in Baldwin Park. This is actually where I got my vaccination. And now we're going to be heading towards Santa Fe Dam. And I'm pretty sure we can get one this way. So the boba stop would be here, Miss T. But yeah, onwards to Santa Fe Dam. And we're about 1.5 miles away. There we go. Now we're entering one of our local Santa Fe Dam recreational area, just so we can see the sunset on the bike path over there and head towards where we first started in Arcadia to complete the Emerald Necklace loop trail. Emerald Necklace Trail Loop. I don't even know what they call it. Something like that. This is always a nice scene. Just taking in the sunset. Definitely a looker. Lots of folks just enjoying the bike path here. Also has a pedestrian trail. It's cold. It's cold up here. I got goosebumps. My goosebump has goosebumps. Ooh, it's so cold now. As soon as that sun sets, it's like a cold chill just comes this way. Or I think it's maybe because we're so high up, we're elevated. You feel all the wind around here. But we're almost completed the loop. I still have about 40% left on my battery, give or take. And it's about a 23 mile ride. Alright folks, well that's the video. We are pretty much where we started from the Emerald Necklace loop trail. So check out the link in the description below for more group rides and my overall e-bike affiliates. This is Julian and Crystal signing out. Stay safe and amazing out there, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.